Hello, sir.
Hello,
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine. Could you give me your introduction?
Yeah. Sir, my name is Sajid Khan, and my father's name is Zafruddin, and I'm pursuing BTech from Mechanical Engineering, and I completed 10 and 10 plus 2 from Avantiva Inter College, Transamna Colony, and I have completed a project in third semester, a hydraulic power plant, and my hobby is driving and listening music, and thanks.
Okay. My name is Gaurav Viral. I hail from Khanoli. I completed in 12th class. I am pursuing BA first year. My hobby is listening songs, movies. In my spare time, talk to with my family. Today, let's have conversation in English. Uh, why are you learning English?
I'm learning English because I wanna be a good engineer because uh, in MNC's industries uh, are need for English because the industries are uh, industries in MNC's company communicate in other countries, so we need English, so that's why I am learning English. And you?
I want to work in private sector. I am learning English because uh, I will go daily to private to work private sector. I want to be a employee in airline. So I am learning English. You have many options. Why did you choose engineering?
I chose engineering because since childhood, uh, I was very innovative and enthusiastic person. So I chose engineering, and I very interested in automobiles and machinery maintenance. So I was choose mechanical branch. So and you, why did you choose BA?
I have chosen BA only for we have got degree. We don't interest government job. I interest only private sector. So only I want to be a employee. So I have chosen BA only for degree.
Could you please tell me about your dream?
Yes, of course. I want to earn money in my life. I want to build a big house. My family. I want to visit whole world. I want to go outside I want to go outside in India. So I am learning English because I have so many dreams. Could you please tell me about your dream?
Yeah. Um, my dream is I wanna be a good engineer, and I I wanna earn a lot of money, and I wanna make I wanna be an entrepreneur. Do you know entrepreneur?
No, I don't know about this topic.
Entrepreneur is a person uh, which when start a new business and take risk our own money. So this is a entrepreneur. So I wanna be entrepreneur, and I wanna live with families, and I wanna go other countries. That's it. Now could you please tell me about your families?
There are 8 members in my family. My father is farmer. My dadaji retired from army. Me and my brother. We are pursuing BA, and I have grandmother also in my family. Could you please tell me about your family?
There are four members in my family. Uh, my father is a compounder, and my mother is housewife, and my elder brother
In my family.
to prepare for NEET, and I am pursuing BTech.
I want to know what is the role of YouTube in your life.
The role of YouTube in my life, I I can study, and I I can I can make a channel in YouTube, and upload videos, and I can aware of from YouTube. I can aware from YouTube, and I can uh, live news, see live news from YouTube, and I can improve uh, communication and English from YouTube. So now I want to know what is your opinion.
In my opinion about YouTube, YouTube is more important in our life now because we know we can make video and we can upload YouTube. So we can show our skills, confidence, and etc. We can earn money via YouTube channel. Many people uh, is making video by YouTube and upload video by YouTube. So so many people earning money by YouTube. I want to earn money. I want to earn money by job and by YouTube. So now YouTube is more popular in our country, all over world. Thank you, sir. It was nice conversation with you. Same here. Thank you.
So it was just a basic conversation. They both were talking. Actually, they both decided to have conversation in English. It was extemporary conversation. They did not pre-plan for that. They did not have practice on this conversation. I asked them, just today, I'm going to make video and just practice whatever comes in your mind. You can speak up. Somewhere I helped them out. How can you make? How can you lead the conversation? So what was my purpose to make this video? Actually, the real purpose is that some students they have excuse, sir, we are not able to frame sentence in proper manner, and we don't understand what to speak next, how to start the conversation. So this is the way by which you can start a conversation with in a basic manner. Just have two people with you, or any mentor or any teacher. It can be any teacher, can be book, anyone. So you can ask them to sit with you and just start having conversation like that. You can start with the introduction, then you can go ahead with basic things. What is your reason to learn English? What do you want to do in the future? What is the future plan? What are your dreams? Such kind of discussions can be done. So they are just naive. He belongs to Khandoli, which is a village nearby, near Agra. If you come in Agra, you will find the place Khandoli. It is in village. And where you come from? Transformer colony. So they just join the classes and they just had conversation extemporary so that they can, through the video, they can explore themselves more. They can gain confidence as well. They were able to speak English better way. But when it comes to make video, people start feeling some hesitation and nervousness. Similarly, whenever you are making video, whenever you are having conversation with someone, you also can make video. This video making can build the confidence. It can give you different fun. So this is how you can start the conversation. I just try to make this video so that you can start conversation with any one of your friend with a basic manner. On my channel you must have watched some videos. People are having group discussions over there, but some students they asked me, sir, make some videos on basic English conversation. So this is what I try to do, something I try to do something new, and you can support this. So English English English. Thank you so much.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank you.